Have you ever wondered why some people get rich earning little, while others stay broke, even making good money? The difference lies in a single financial habit that almost nobody applies, yet it can change everything. In this video, you'll discover a simple, powerful, almost secret rule used by only 1% of people, and it can transform your financial life forever. Most people live their financial lives on autopilot. Money comes in, money goes out, and at the end, nothing is left. Many believe the problem is not having enough money, but the real issue is how money is managed. You may feel like you work hard but never manage to save anything, because something always consumes what remains. There are many false beliefs about money, that you need to earn a lot to get rich, that investing is too risky, or that saving means missing out on life. These myths keep most people stuck in the same cycle, struggling month after month without real progress. In this video, we'll explore a simple rule used by only 1% of people that can completely change your money mindset. There are no magic formulas, complicated investments, or empty promises here. This is something anyone can start doing right now, regardless of income. You'll learn what this rule is, why most people ignore it, how to automate it, and the real impact it can have on your life. The powerful rule that only 1% of people apply is called pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your money for yourself before paying any bills or expenses. If you only save what's left after paying everything else, you'll likely never save anything, because there's almost never anything left. By paying yourself first, even if it's a small amount, you create a habit that builds wealth over time. It doesn't matter how much you earn. Consistency is what matters most. This simple action is the first real step to financial freedom. Most people ignore this rule because it goes against everything they've been taught about money. Our brains crave immediate rewards, so spending feels good while saving feels like a sacrifice. The pay yourself first rule breaks this self-sabotage cycle by making saving a priority. You can automate this habit by setting up automatic transfers to a separate savings or investment account, so you don't have to rely on willpower. This approach works regardless of your income. It's a mindset, not a number. Even saving a small percentage consistently will grow your wealth over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Imagine combining the pay yourself first rule with the magic of compound interest. Your money growing exponentially over time. Even small, consistent savings can turn into tens or hundreds of thousands after several years. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, increasing their expenses as their income rises. This is known as lifestyle creep. This habit keeps them trapped in a cycle where they never truly build wealth. To break free, you need to apply the pay yourself first rule and maintain financial discipline. This is how the wealthy think and act differently, by controlling their money instead of letting money control them. Now that you know this powerful rule and how to apply it, the real question is, will you act? Every day you wait without saving or investing is a day lost on your path to financial freedom. Time is your greatest ally or your greatest enemy in this journey. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you have. Small daily actions, done consistently, lead to massive results over time. Your decision today can be the start of a different, more secure, and prosperous life. You can either be controlled by money, or you can start controlling your money. The choice is yours. If these tips made sense to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I want to know, what amount will you start saving today? Leave your comment below. Your action can inspire others. Together, we're building a community focused on financial education and freedom. Very few people apply this simple rule, and that's why so few build real wealth. But those who decide to act today are taking a giant step toward financial freedom. The journey is not easy, and there is no magic or quick path, but discipline, consistency, and the right mindset make all the difference. By putting yourself first and paying yourself before anything else, you take control of your future. Remember, great achievements start with small steps, repeated daily. This decision can be the one that transforms your life forever. Financial freedom is within reach for those who choose to do things differently, who choose to build instead of just wish. So take the right step today and start writing your own success story.